Super Mingo Plays back with the video, and today, well, I'm going to be opening the 10-pack bundle and assault rifle hack on Infinite Warfare. I just got my 1,500 COD points, and I have 5 double XP things, and it's double XP weekend, but I'm going to be opening this bundle. So, I have to back up to get my controller. Boom, purchase. Boom, I have 10 resupply drops. Let's open them first. Salvage, and adjuster. Okay then. Oh. That's Spain assault rifle camo though. It's kind of fun. Salvage. Ooh, that honeycomb looks somewhat cool. Hopefully I have enough salvage after this, hopefully. Another 5 more double XP tokens. Ooh, that tracer. Hailstorm. I got a pork cube. I'm probably gonna put that on. But 5 more double XP tokens? Like, it's already double XP. I mean, I could stock up on them if I want. Birds of Prey. Okay, we have 5 more left, and then the assault rifle hack. Ooh, the Banshee exposed. Oh, I already have both of them. Oh! My first legendary so far. The Crash Test Synth-Pack head. That actually looks kind of cool. So if I'm backing up, my controller is charging. So I'm like, salvage, space. Ooh, that space camo. I read the top that I looked at it. It might be pretty cool in multiplayer. Oh gosh, I almost fell. Oh, this is the sniper I love. I use the KBS longbow all the time. Let's go. I can't believe I got that. Woo. I actually really wanted that. Well, I wanted the epic version, but like, of course I'm not going to get that. Whoa. Okay, last one. Okay. Oh, that emblem. It's like a mixture of ET something. I wish you got the keys for this. Okay. Open assault rifle hack. Oh, it gave me this. Golden Dragon melee camo. Type 2 Butcher assault rifle. I'm gonna be using this. Whoa. This is really cool. I'm gonna take a picture of this probably. That's insane. Well guys, I'm gonna be ending the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure, my mom just texted me. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what I should do next. Bye!